Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by securing essentials, Wi-Fi credentials and a Nest account, then power down the HVAC at the breaker. Once done, remove the old thermostat and label every wire so you won't mix them later. Next, mount the Nest base to the wall and insert the labeled wires into their matching terminals. Make sure each wire clicks. After the base is secured, switch the breaker back on and watch the Nest boot screen. This confirms power and prepares the unit for configuration. Once the Nest is powered and awake, follow the on-screen steps to identify your HVAC system type. This makes sure commands match equipment. Then connect the thermostat to your Wi-Fi and sign into the Nest app. Use the QR or code shown on screen to pair quickly. Next, specify equipment options like fan control and sensor placement, and enable features such as early start to reach target temps on time. Make sure to test each mode, heating, cooling, and fan to verify correct responses. To finish, run manual heat and cool tests and check that vents and zones respond. This proves wiring and system mapping are correct. Once verified, integrate the Nest with Google Home, set daily schedules and safety temperature limits, then install any firmware updates. This keeps features current. If something goes wrong, start by rebooting the Nest and confirming each wire is fully seated. If connectivity still fails, a factory reset usually clears stubborn pairing or configuration issues. That single troubleshooting step resolves most problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.